Hey guys, this is a SMC KW52M. It's a 52-inch ceiling fan. It's labelled Wattmaster. Wattmaster relabelled pretty much everything. I'm here with Lachlan again. And I just had a mental blank. It's on its original controller as well, it's kind of cool. Or an exact clone to its original controller. I have 3 of these fans and I think only one of them has an original controller, which I have installed right now. These also came with solid state variable speed controls. I do have a solid state variable speed control, not a Wattmaster one, but
Oh yeah, I've got a Clemson one.
I think the one you have is pulse width. Mine's solid state.
I'm not sure.
Is the label on it?
That one with that Wattmaster. You know the Wattmaster that I had to wire through the lower canopy?
Yeah.
Yeah, I got it with that one.
Oh, can you show me? Like, at some point?
Yeah, I'll just show you mine if you like.
Alright. But yeah, the one that I have here is a Clipsal one. That I just got it not long ago, just from a box of switches at the building demo place. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and start this out on high. These fans don't spin very fast on high, and they don't move a ton of air either. The thing with SMC is they're really cool. They're actually quite cheap as well. It's a stamped steel motor with ply blades, obviously cane. This one's number 2. I have 3 of them. The third one has 2 snapped blades, so I'm not going to film it. The first one I have is mint except for a few scratches at the top of the down rod, and then this one's missing the nut on the bottom of the motor. And one of the cane inserts had come out of the blades, but I took the cane insert out of one of the snapped blades from the third one and put it in this one. Because the glue had gone on both of them. Have you ever seen one of these installed places, Lockie?
I'm not sure. They come out as one.
With wood blades or metal blades?
Wood.
Yeah, they're more common with metal blades. Here's medium. The metal bladed ones move more air and spin faster, I think, as well.
I thought that was the sellers who had ones with metal ones. I don't remember if they were airflow, SMC, or Wattmaster. I can't remember what they were.
The thing with airflow is that they're not actually made by SMC, but they're exactly the same.
Yeah.
They're made in a different factory.
Yeah, I just said that because I'm not exactly sure what brand they were.
Clipsal.
Yeah, that's probably right.
All airflow ceiling fans are Clipsal.
I got videos of them all running. One of them was making some teaching noise, but they have me here for the whole shop.
You'll have to send it to me.
Yeah, someone else phone.
Alright, here's high.
They also had two crappy arms back too.
I've got one of those crappy Alex.
Yeah.
I cut the blades on it, so it's now it's like got a 30-inch blade diameter instead of a 48-inch.
Cool.
I did that so that I could fit it in my shed.
Fair enough. When I first started it, and my wall was in, when I first started putting down the wall,
Yeah.
I put in one of the wall marks.
Yeah, the air is moving the tap. I'm just going to hold it still. Suppose I should have taken it down.
Oh, it doesn't really matter.
Kind of wobbly. I don't know if you can see that. Okay, here's spin down. Again, those are the original factory speeds, because this is the factory speed controller.
Yeah. Those SMCs are nice.
They're not the best quality, but they look really nice.
Yeah. That's the thing with these fans. They look good, but they don't work.
Yeah, the wood-bladed ones often don't work. I was quite surprised the first time I turned on the BDF series. How much air that moved. I wonder what the Martechs do. I haven't run a Martech in quite a while, actually. I've got 2 of them installed in the shed with custom blades that I cut out myself on them. They actually move quite a bit of air. I don't know if you've seen the videos with them in. The bearings on this fan are like brand new, by the way. They're completely silent and they're really free spinning.
That's good.
Yeah.
My visual scenery is better like that. I should be just brand new out of the box.
Usually, when they first come out of the box, the bearings are a little bit stiff, and then once they've run for a while, they're okay again.
I've already spat them for a little while.
Yeah, it's usually 8 hours settling into 8 hours high-speed running time.
I'll run mine close all day.
Just clean them with a vacuum cleaner.
Yeah.
Is another thing, because then you're not using any water that can damage the blades. I like to use paper towels.
Well, you can just use a splash of water and cloth or something.
No, because then you're rubbing the dust into the paint. If you use a cloth, you rub the dust into the fan. You want to just suck it off with a vacuum cleaner. Anyways, the fan stopped, so this is the end of the video of this SMC Wattmaster KW52M fan number 2 of technically 3, but I'm only ever going to film 2. Thanks for watching.